This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by placing the module script where the code that needs it can reach it. Choose Server Script Service for server-only logic or replicated storage to share. Once placed, open the module and return a table of functions or values so other scripts can call them. Now, in your script or local script, get a reference, Game Get Service, Replicated Storage, My Module or Script. Parent, My Module, and call require on that object. This imports the table. This first step sets a clear API, which makes the rest reliable and testable. Once you have the module required, structure its API. Export pure functions and explicit init methods so require won't trigger hidden side effects. Then, cache the result, local mod equals require module, and reuse that variable to prevent re-requiring or reinitialization. Make sure you understand server versus client contexts. Require on the server accesses server-only modules, while local scripts run on clients. For debugging, add clear prints and use the dev console to inspect return tables and ensure functions are present before calling them. To finish, wire your calls into game flow, call mod. In it, at the correct time, secure server-only functions and server scripts and expose client APIs where appropriate. If require throws module script expected or nil, confirm you pass the module script instance and not a string. If you see infinite loops or nil functions, you likely have circular requires. Fix by refactoring or using delayed initialization after both modules load. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the issue in a minimal scene. That isolates path, timing, and context problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.